On a cold winter morning, a tiny white kitten walked alone through the snow, searching for a little warmth in a silent world. Then she heard a faint cry, a tiny yellow bird shivering beneath a frozen leaf, too weak to fly. Without thinking twice, the kitten wrapped her fluffy tail around the bird, sharing her warmth to keep him alive. All day she gathered twigs and leaves, building a tiny home, not for herself, but for her new friend. She brought crumbs and water every morning, never letting the little bird feel hungry or alone again. When the snowstorm came, she used her tiny body to block the wind, keeping her friend safe through the freezing night. Days turned to weeks, and at last the bird's wing healed. For the first time, he sang again, a song of gratitude. The kitten smiled through her tears as the bird spread his wings. Goodbyes are never easy, even when filled with love. Before flying away, the bird dropped a tiny yellow feather, a promise that true friendship never really ends. The kitten kept that feather close to her heart, knowing love always finds its way back, just like spring after winter.